Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to find and replace in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so if you have a certain text that you want to replace in a Google spreadsheet and you have multiple cells with the same text, then it's really easy to do in Google Sheets spreadsheet because we have a find and replace feature. And you can find this find and replace feature by clicking on edit here and selecting from the menu bar find and replace. As you can see, you can also use a keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl-H on a PC and Command-H on a Mac. And we don't necessarily have to use the replace function. We can use this as an advanced search or find functionality in Google Sheets. So we would add the search phrase we want to find here. Then we can add the phrase we want to change this search phrase. Then we can use the find and replace feature to find and replace certain stuff on all sheets, this specific sheet we are on, or a specific range. And then we can use match case, match entire cell contents. We can also use regular expressions to find and replace stuff. We can also search within formulas and within links as well. And if you want to find and replace everything that it matches your criteria, you would click on replace all and it would replace all occurrence of this search phrase with this text value. So notice I can use the find and replace feature in Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.